friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about the sonic charging on the Redmi K20 Pro, and we also have the 27 watt supercharger available. So we're gonna do the first unboxing. We'll show you the supercharger, and then we'll also talk about the charging time on this device. So it has a 4000 mAh capacity battery. We did the charging from 0 to 100% using the 27 watt charger. So the 27 watt charger is available for a price of 1000 rupees, and this will be available as an accessory. So first let's have a look at the supercharger. So this is the Mi 27 watt supercharger. So this out of the box gives you great charging speed. So this is 27 watt. This is the box package, and this is India certified, Qualcomm QuickCharge 3.0 certified, surge protection, overheat protection, and this is 1000 rupees. So let's just open this and we'll show you the charger. So that's a 27 watt charger for India. So there you go, and this is the charger. So this is the voltage rating available. So you can see that it comes with multiple voltage ratings, 5 volt 3 ampere, that's 15 watt. Then we have 9 volt 3 ampere, that's 27 watt. And then we also have 12 volt 2.25 ampere, again 27 watt. So these are the charging available on this adapter. So this is slightly on the bulkier side, but you get a 27 watt charging, quite similar to what we are seeing on the OnePlus or the Dash charger or the Vook charger. So slightly on the bigger side. Now let's charge this with the device, and we'll show you how much time it took. So now we charged the Redmi K20 Pro with the 27 watt supercharger from 0 to 100%, and the time taken was in 5 minutes of charging it reached around 12% battery. Then it went to 15%, I mean 15 minutes it went to 34%. So that's the charging. It's almost 30%, about 30% in just 15 minutes of charging. Then in half an hour of charging it was around 57% of the 4000 mAh capacity battery, which is quite in line with what Xiaomi claimed. Xiaomi claimed half an hour of charging will give you 58% is what Xiaomi claims, and we got around 57%, so almost in there. And in 1 hour of charging it reached around 92%. That's 60 minutes, 92%, and then it slowed down a bit, and 0 to 100% took 1 hour and 15 minutes. So 75 minutes it took for 0 to 100%. So this is again pretty good for a 4000 mAh capacity battery, 0 to 100% in around 75 minutes. So that's the charging on the Redmi K20 Pro with the default 27 watt supercharger. Remember, the 27 watt super fast charger or the SonicCharger is not available in the box package. Box package contains only 18 watt, but you can buy the supercharger for 999. That's 1000 rupees on me.com. So you can get that from there. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great